In this video, I just want to go over how these kerosene heaters, like the Dyna-Glo, this Dyna-Glo kerosene heater that you're looking at, function. They have a tank down here that holds 1K kerosene, and then that absorbs into a wick that is ignited by a small battery-powered electric igniter, puts out a super hot flame, and it's designed to radiate that heat upwards into this upper chamber that's vented and ported to allow the heat to radiate outward evenly, and then it heats up your room. So it's a very simple design, and it works flawlessly. Like I said, this is the Dyna-Glo WK95C8. These are out of stock a lot, and it honestly shows how good of a product it is. Let me know below if you guys have any questions. I've had this for over a year now, and it starts up within about 30 seconds. I have another video showing the startup process if you want to check that out, as well as several other videos in this video series covering this product. So if I miss anything, just let me know. I'll try to answer it to the best of my knowledge, but it doesn't really get much simpler than this.